Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to file self-employed taxes and get money back. First, understand your tax obligations. As a self-employed individual, you are responsible for both income tax and self-employment tax. It's crucial to track all your income and expenses meticulously throughout the year. This helps you accurately report your earnings and claim all eligible deductions. Remember to file estimated taxes quarterly to avoid potential penalties. Maximizing your deductions is key to lowering your tax bill. You can claim many business expenses, such as a home office, vehicle mileage, and necessary supplies. Don't forget about deductions for health insurance premiums and contributions to retirement accounts like a SEP IRA. Additionally, explore various tax credits available, as these directly reduce the amount of tax you owe, potentially leading to a larger refund. When it's time to file, you'll typically use Schedule C, Form 1040, to report your business income and expenses. This form helps determine your net profit or loss. Next, you'll calculate your self-employment tax, which covers Social Security and Medicare, using Schedule SC, Form 1040. If your tax situation feels complex, consider consulting a qualified tax professional. Their expertise can be invaluable. To increase your chances of getting money back, ensure you've claimed every eligible deduction and credit. Overpaying your estimated taxes throughout the year can also result in a refund when you file your annual return. Double-check all your entries and consider using tax software or a professional to catch any missed opportunities. A thorough review can make a significant difference in your final tax outcome.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.